Hello students, today I am here to deliver a speech about education. Education is a fundamental pillar of our society, shaping the minds and the futures of individuals. It empowers us with knowledge, critical thinking skills, and the ability to navigate the complexities of the world we live in. The value of education cannot be overstated, as it is the key to progress and growth, economic development. So, why education is important? What comes to your mind when you hear a word education? Education opens doors to opportunities that would otherwise be inaccessible. It equips us with the necessary skills to pursue our passions and contribute meaningfully to society. Through education, we gain a broader understanding of the world, enabling us to make informed decisions and engage in constructive dialogue. Education is not just memorizing facts and figures, but about developing a curious and inquisitive mind that constantly seeks knowledge. Education also has the power to break the circle of poverty and inequality. It provides a pathway for social mobility. It empowers individuals to overcome barriers and achieve their full potential. By investing in education, we invest we invest we invest in brighter future for all. In conclusion, education is not simple a means to an end, but a lifelong journey of growth and self-discovery. It empowers individuals in chances, progress, growth, and drives economic development. Let us recognize the transformative power of education and strive to make it accessible to all, creating a world where everyone has the opportunity to learn, grow, and success. Thank you.